turning this on because jackass in front of me keeps brake checking me. It's like if he wants to drive slow, he needs to move over. On the other side of Memphis, I'm probably still in the suburbs of Memphis. I don't know how big it is. And on 40 eastbound, need to stop and get gas here. I got 96 miles to empty, so I still have plenty of time, but I let it go to the last couple miles last time, and I don't really want to do that again. Thank goodness. Oh, come on, let him over. He's being a dick. Yeah, you can't turn into a truck, buddy. Gonna have to get in front of the truck. What an idiot. This guy's an ass. I'm having flashbacks of New Mexico. Let's see how far. 2.3 miles we get to go to the left. So, alright. It's before we go to the left, so in less than 2 miles, this nonsense will be over. I'm just gonna keep it on, just in case some idiot does something stupid. tired of sitting behind the wheel surrounded by idiots. Which I know they're not all idiots, but a majority of them really are. You have to admit. If we didn't have idiots out here, there wouldn't be any accidents. Everyone would be polite and courteous to each other. They would pass and then move over out of people's way. But unfortunately, that's not the case. Every other person is an asshole with something to prove. And I admit, sometimes I'm one of them. If someone pisses me off, you better believe I'm gonna get even. Sometimes I'll let it go, sometimes I don't. It just depends on what they did. Oh my gosh, you're telling me the accident isn't even on our side of the road, and all these idiots had to slow down to look? Oh my gosh, how stupid. That's what I'm talking about. It's like, ignore the flashy lights and keep moving. If you would ignore them and keep moving, we wouldn't be in this backup right now. Just put your cameras on, point them toward the accident, and keep moving. That's what I do. Some of us are trying to get home. Ooh. Oh, keep moving, people. Stop hitting your brakes. I can't see anything anyway, just a bunch of flashy lights. Oh, we got a news person over here videoing.
There are police reported ahead.
Can we go now? Can we please go now? Oh my gosh, I see another slowdown up ahead. Oh my gosh. Just tell me it's not another accident. Stupid people.